It was wrong. Remember, guys, for all those kids anyway, now or parents or even everyone, don't don't do a dirty finger to that imbecile Larry Gadon. Do you know that Larry Gadon is doing a dirty finger last 2018 in Baguio? It's very disrespectful. Like I said, very disrespectful. I think Larry Gadon, he might be similar to Paulo Cruzada. He might be similar to Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil. Even who else? Even Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Milcanete. Oh, they will be similar. Oh, remember, this Larry Gadon needs to learn a lesson. Or he might be similar to my arch enemy, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. Oh, you know what, Larry Gadon? Do not use a dirty finger. You are being disbarred as a lawyer. Why did you do this, like, for example, like this? Oh, you know, it's really bad. Like me, when I was in the time, in the class of Teacher May, in CDIFI, in 2016, I was, how old am I? 19 years old before I was 20 in 2017. I met Michael Sarmiento. When I see Michael Sarmiento in personal, I never criticized Michael. I said, "Hello, Michael Sarmiento," and I said, he do a dirty finger, but I never argue with him. I never want to criticize him. I do not want to do a dirty finger, but he do a dirty finger as well. He do always dirty finger. Oh, but I let him be. I respect him too. When Teacher Marisa says, just let Michael Sarmiento be. Let him be. Hayaan na lang, like I said. And you know what? To this imbecile Larry Gadon, you are a normal person. Is this being yourself a normal to do a dirty finger? You know, it's really bad to do a dirty finger. I know you're the guy who say bad words like what did you say to Raisa Robles? PI, the word putang ina. What else? You say that to Raisa Robles without with their lash out foul languages you say about Bobo. Now you see Raisa Robles had filed cases against Larry Gadon to disbar him as a lawyer. Let's say I say to Larry Gadon, last in pandemic, in COVID-19, when there is implementation of a face shield, I just mentioned when we heard the news and I talked with Sir Paulo Cua in Messenger at the time. You know, in 2021, in you know in the time of pandemic, he said to me, all the people are wearing face shield. Oh, you see this imbecile Larry Gadon, he's wearing a face shield and a face mask, put it in duct tape in the face shield. Is this kind of a person and lawyer who were putting a face shield in the face mask? Now, Guillermo Eleazar had filed the police blotter against Larry Gadon. What are you gonna say to yourself, Larry Gadon? Oh, that's very disrespectful. That's violations against Bayanihan Act of One Hill. You putting a face mask in a face shield, that's very disrespectful. You know what? I say to you, Larry Gadon, the ally of Sangkay Janjan. Oh, you need to stop with your foolishness, or you don't want to be just like me. I say to you, Larry Gadon. You know, Larry Gadon, people are saying you are bobo. People are saying you're an idiot. You are dumb. Now, what you did to Vice President Sara Duterte, you call her Mary Grace Piatos. Now, you are being cited of contempt. Oh, you bash the Supreme Court. It's really not nice. I'm just saying. You know, for Larry Gadon, you need to stop with your nonsense. You need to stop what you're doing. You know, it's really offended. You know, me and Jerick Silva, we don't like the dirty finger of Larry Gadon. We do not like his foul languages, or we don't like his attitude just like that. We don't like. You know, where does Larry Gadon use that bad words? Who's this bar lawyer, Larry Gadon? Who's a Marcos loyalist and fake Filipino, Larry Gadon? Where does he get this foul languages? Oh, where did he get his foul words? It came back from Mark Domingo Cruz. Oh, with his bad words. Oh, unlike Nino Barsaga, the Boy Mura, who was being sued of cyber libel against Isko Moreno and Manny Pacquiao. He was being sued for saying bad words. Oh, just like this is a lesson to Larry Gadon and Nino Barsaga, both of you. You need to stop with this foul languages. You know me, I'm not imitating foul languages. Like me, the time when I was told by Mark Pacione, do not say bad words. The time of Mark Joshua Pacione says, oh, do not say bad words. Oh, it's not really nice. You know, like I was told by Wawel Romero when she messaged me in the chat, even Ate Charmaine Aloyan, they said to me, wag ka na magmura. Oh, like I said, that's really a bad word. So I understand with them. But those two imbeciles, those two idiots, Larry Gadon and Nino Barsaga, they say a bad words. That's very awful. That is an oral defamation. Like me, I never want to be happen to David Gill and his family when I use my oral defamation against them or slandering their names. Oh, just like what happened anyway when I attacked the church. I made a fake account of Larry Chuadico, or I make what's that? I make in trouble. Oh, now you see. Now both of you see. Oh, I say to Nino Barsaga and Larry Gadon. Oh, I was being sued by David Gill's family. Oh, and his family, they got sued. Oh, even and I, that that I got being a lawsuit. Oh, now what really happened? I attacked the church. Oh, when I curse my profanity to Jen Bravo, that was Jen, that was David Gill's cousin. Oh, even that his uncle Joel Ferrer, who was working in the law office. This is my responsible. I use my bad words, so and then I apologize to them sincerely. Oh, even David Gill and his family, I've been apologize. Because I never say, if I attack David Gill, I apologize David Gill. Oh, when I talk with Jerick Silva, and I am the one responsible for attacking the church. Oh, that it will never happen again. It will never be happen really, really again. Hindi mangyayari ito. And you know, for 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 Larry Gadon and Nino Barsaga, both of you refrain of your defamation and stop with the defamation against the Duterte supporters, Sara Duterte, and even the Supreme Court. Don't call them the Supreme Court. Mga tuta kayo ng mga Duterte. It's really a defamation. It's an oral defamation. That's slandering. Don't even know in the Philippines we have cyber libel. It's that which is called cyberbullying. Oh, both of you don't remember Larry Gadon and Nino Barsaga? Oh, that's not really nice. Well, I was there in my old school in CDIFI. Oh, I accused Paula Colin Nunez. I slander her name. And I realized you can't even brush your teeth. Oh, now I got in trouble. My mom got scolded me. And then what really happened to Paula? Oh, I never want to be happen to Paula. Oh, for me, I never want to be happen to Luis Cabales that I slander his name. I don't want to be happen to Teacher Vincent Ramos that I made a fake account on Facebook. I slander his name. Oh, I don't want to be happen to Teacher Gio Malana that I slander his name. I made a fake account. Oh, I explain it to Jerick Silva. It will never be happen. But those two idiots like Larry Gadon and Nino Barsaga, they say bad words. They say foul languages of profanity. I do not know what they are talking about. Those idiots needs to learn a lesson. Like I said, mga bobo kayo eh. You know that. Do not bully. Oh, look at my my arch rival. Oh, my arch rival Teacher May. Oh, my current enemy at the time. Oh, at least she doesn't want to be a Marcos loyalist. Why? Because she doesn't want to get in trouble. Oh, she realized she has saw in Facebook that Chris Aquino has a son, Josh, who is autism. And she sided with Aquino. Oh, just like I was told by Luis Cabales. Oh, like Larry Gadon, who was bashing against Noynoy Aquino. Oh, in Facebook post after his death, he calls him an HIV. That's really nonsense. And do you know this Larry Gadon, who is a disbar lawyer? He's also criticizing Chris Aquino and her son Josh, who's autism. That's really nonsense. And he bashed Cory Aquino for calling her what's that the word in Tagalog? He calls her putang ina. That's a bad words. You know, I say to Larry Gadon, Cory Aquino is a grandmother of Josh Aquino, who is also autism. Do not do not include the Aquino family, even Chris Aquino, even her son Josh, who is also autism. Oh, that's really an insult. And you call them Bobo. Oh, what about that her son Josh, who's autism? That's really insult. However, if you call Bobo against Aquino family, that's an insult. Oh, that's really an insult. When I talk to Jadrick Silva, that's very insult. Oh, Larry Gadon needs to learn a lesson.